So this is called the smoker's cough. And it's Jaeger. Floater mayonnaise.
Ah, you nasty fuck.
Come here, come here, come here. Yeah.
That is so nasty. Oh my god.
So yeah, hope you fuckers are having a wonderful Saturday. Ugh.